Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to repair the turbocharger actuator from Mercedes-Benz 320 CDI. If it's broken, you will get the error code 126800 on your diagnostic device. You can see how to remove and install the actuator from the car in the video I linked to you in the info card above. For this we need soldering equipment, a small screwdriver, a glass and 10 minutes of your lifetime. Okay, let's start. First we have to loosen our 6 retaining clips from the housing. Use the little screwdriver and watch your fingers. So, it's the first one. When the retaining clips are off, you can simply take down the plastic case. We need this part. Okay, let's check the wiring. Here you can see the broken wiring. I use my little screwdriver to put the wire back in the right position and just solder it back in place. The connection is back in position. Well, the connection is back and the error should now begin. We can now reassemble our components, but I still have a little tip for you. It was only the solder connection in our case. On other models of the actuator, the gears tend to break. I linked a page below where you can get repair kits for it. Okay, housing back up. Watch the right direction. Snap metal clips back into place. And our error should be fixed. I hope I could help you and you like this video. See you next time.